Did you know walking alone might be secretly weakening your body after 60? Imagine struggling to stand, climb stairs, or keep your balance, and there's a simple exercise that fixes all of it. It only takes minutes, but the results are shocking. Stay with me till the end, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Most people over 60 believe that walking is the safest and most effective way to stay healthy. But what if I told you that walking alone may quietly weaken the very muscles that keep you stable, strong, and independent? It sounds shocking, but doctors and mobility experts are now warning that relying only on walking can leave hidden weaknesses in your hips, thighs, and balance system, especially as you age. And the surprising part is that you might not even notice this weakness until one day you suddenly feel unsteady, lose your balance, or struggle to lift your legs the way you used to. I know how frustrating it feels when you're doing everything right. Taking your daily walk, trying to stay active, staying mindful of your health, and still your body feels slower, stiffer, and weaker. You start wondering why simple movements feel heavier, why getting out of a chair feels harder than it used to, or why your legs tire faster even though you've been walking more. The truth is, walking is great for your heart, but it does very little for the deeper stabilizing muscles that keep your body upright and steady. That's why doctors now say this one simple movement, number 3, standing marching, can do far more for your strength and balance than a regular walk ever could. In fact, this is the same NASA-inspired style movement astronauts use to maintain muscle control after long missions, because it activates the hips, thighs, core, and balance system all at the same time. And unlike many exercises that feel complicated or painful, standing marching is simple, joint-friendly, and safe, something you can do anywhere, even while holding a wall or chair for support. Imagine lifting one knee gently, feeling your hip engage, feeling your core tighten just enough to keep you upright, and feeling that deep internal stability returning to your legs. With every controlled march, you're waking up muscles that walking never touches. As we age past 60, these muscles become the #1 factor in preventing falls, improving walking posture, and keeping your steps strong and confident. Many seniors who start this movement say they feel lighter on their feet, more stable on uneven ground, and more aware of their balance within a few days. And the best part is that you don't need strength, flexibility, or athletic skills to begin. All you need is a chair or wall beside you, steady breathing, and slow lifted marches that wake up your legs in a way walking simply doesn't. Now let's talk about how to do this correctly. Stand tall beside a chair or wall, place your hand gently on it for balance, keep your shoulders relaxed, and start by lifting one knee up without leaning backward. Lower it slowly, then lift the other knee. Don't rush. Don't tighten your neck. Keep the movement small and controlled. These slow, steady marching steps activate your hip flexors, glutes, inner thighs, and core all together. This is exactly why doctors prefer this movement for seniors. It builds strength, balance, and coordination in one simple action. Walking will always be healthy, but if you want to stay strong and avoid stiffness or balance loss, this movement gives you something walking cannot. And once you understand how powerful standing marching truly is, the rest of this routine will make even more sense as we move forward. Let's begin with this first exercise and build from here. Now that you understand why standing marching is one of the most powerful movements for anyone over 60, it's time to move into the second exercise. Number 2, supported standing position, which might look extremely simple at first glance, but don't let its simplicity fool you. This one position can wake up muscles you haven't used in years, improve posture that walking alone can never fix, and build the deep inner strength that controls your balance, stability, and ability to move safely through your day. Many seniors lose balance not because their legs are weak, but because their alignment is off, their core is inactive, and the stabilizing muscles around the spine and hips have slowly stopped responding. You may have noticed moments when you stand up straight but still feel wobbly, or when standing for more than a minute feels tiring on your lower back, or when you feel pressure in your knees instead of in your thighs. These are small signs that your support system is weakening, even if you're walking daily. The supported standing position restores this system by realigning your spine, activating your hips, teaching your legs to support your weight evenly, and strengthening the deep core without any crunches or floor exercises. To begin, stand facing the back of a sturdy chair or hold a wall lightly with both hands. Keep your feet hip-width apart, relax your shoulders, and lengthen your spine as if a string is gently lifting the top of your head. Now slightly bend your knees, just a tiny, soft bend, not a squat. As you do this, you will instantly feel your thighs turn on, your hips engage, and your core wake up. This is the magic of this position, A tiny shift in the knees causes your entire lower body to activate. Hold this position for a few seconds while breathing naturally. You're not forcing your body, you're teaching it to find its natural strength again. And here's where the exercise becomes powerful. While holding this supportive stance, slowly shift your weight just a little bit forward onto the balls of your feet, then slowly shift it back to your heels. These tiny micro-movements wake up your inner balance system, improving coordination and teaching your body how to respond safely when you lose stability in daily life. As you repeat this gentle forward back shift, you'll feel your calf muscles activate, your ankles stabilize, your thighs firm up, and your core tighten. All of this is happening without any strain on your joints, which is why doctors recommend this position for seniors who feel stiff, unstable, or fearful of falling. Most people don't realize that balance is not built by walking but by training your body to stay stable while standing still. Walking only moves you forward, but balance requires control in every direction. Forward, backward, sideways, and even rotational. This simple supported standing position trains all of those areas without pressure or pain. If you've ever felt like your legs shake slightly when standing from a chair, or your ankles feel weak when stepping off a curb, or your posture collapses after a few minutes of standing, this exercise will help fix all of those issues. Some seniors start feeling improvement within 3 days because the muscles respond quickly to this kind of activation. And as you grow stronger in this position, you can increase the challenge by holding the stance a few seconds longer, but never forcing your body. Always prioritize control, breathing, and gentle engagement over intensity. The goal is to restore your natural strength, not overpower your muscles. This simple position prepares your body for the final exercise coming next, an exercise that brings everything together and builds real-life strength you use every single day. Let's move toward the movement that turns your balance, posture, and leg strength into real functional power. If there is one movement that truly shows how strong, capable, and independent you are after 60, it's the sit to stand. Doctors and physiotherapists everywhere call this the real-life strength test, because you use this motion every single day. Getting out of bed, standing up from a chair, getting out of the car, or even rising after prayer. When this one movement becomes difficult, life becomes harder. But when you train it properly, everything becomes easier. Number 1, the sit to stand. It looks simple, but don't underestimate it. This exercise is one of the fastest ways to improve leg strength, stability, balance, and confidence. And the best part? You don't need any equipment. Just a chair. That's it. This makes it perfect for seniors who want to stay strong without going to the gym. Let's break it down step by step so you can do it safely and correctly. First, choose a sturdy chair, something that doesn't slide. Sit at the edge with your feet flat on the ground, hip width apart, toes facing forward. Keep your back straight and chest open. Now gently lean forward from your hips, push through your heels, and stand up slowly. Try not to use your hands. If you need support at the beginning, it's okay to use the armrests lightly, but the goal is to let your legs do most of the work. Once you're standing tall, pause for 1 second. Feel the strength in your thighs. Feel your core supporting you. Then slowly sit back down with control, not dropping or falling into the chair. This slow lowering part is just as important as standing up. It builds strength in your knees, hips, and glutes, which are the main muscles responsible for your movement and balance. You can start with 5 repetitions, then increase to 10, and slowly work toward 15 reps as your body becomes stronger. This small, simple habit can make a massive difference in your everyday life. Most seniors who practice this consistently, just a few minutes a day, report that climbing stairs becomes easier, getting out of cars becomes smoother, and morning stiffness reduces. One of the biggest hidden benefits of the sit to stand is fall prevention. Many people don't realize that falls happen not only while walking but also while getting up or down from sitting positions. By strengthening your legs and making this movement smoother, you protect yourself against sudden instability. Another powerful benefit. This exercise actually improves your heart health more than people assume. Every time you stand up and sit down, your body pumps more blood to your muscles. This raises your heart rate mildly, but safely, and helps improve circulation without putting pressure on your joints the way walking sometimes does. If you've ever felt your knees crack, your legs shake, or your lower back tighten when you try to stand up, then this exercise is exactly what you need. Over time, it teaches your body the correct movement pattern, strengthens weak muscles, and supports your joints naturally. So don't skip this one. The sit-to-stand is the foundation of real-world strength after 60. It keeps you independent. It keeps you mobile. And it keeps you confident in your daily life. Now that you've learned all 3 exercises, standing marching, supported standing position, and sit-to-stand, let's talk about why these movements are so powerful for anyone over 60. Each exercise may look simple, but together they create one of the strongest routines for seniors who want real results without pain, without pressure, and without long workouts. Standing marching wakes up your hips, thighs, and core. It improves balance, circulation, and step confidence. This movement is NASA-approved because it activates the muscles you use for walking, but with more control and more safety. Supported standing position strengthens your lower body stability. It trains your legs to stay strong even when your joints feel stiff or weak. Think of it like teaching your body how to stay steady and centered, even on days when your balance feels off. And sit-to-stand is your everyday power builder. This is the movement that keeps you independent. It helps you get up easily from chairs, beds, cars, everything. Combined, these exercises improve your strength, posture, blood flow, and core activation while protecting your knees and lower back. For many seniors, this routine becomes the key to moving confidently, preventing falls, and staying active without fear. If you practice these exercises just a few minutes a day, you will feel the difference. Stronger legs, better balance, more energy, and most importantly, more confidence in your body. Before you go, I want you to remember one thing. Walking is great, but it's not always enough. These targeted movements give you the strength walking alone can't provide. So stay consistent, stay patient, and trust your progress. Thank you so much for watching. If you found even one helpful tip today, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy senior-friendly health tips. Your support means everything, and together, we're staying strong after 60.